Wetlands are vital ecosystems that support a diverse range of species. Historically, many wetlands have been drained for agriculture and development. Wetland restoration aims to revive these critical ecosystems. Wetlands provide essential services such as water filtration. They play a crucial role in flood mitigation. Wetlands are biodiversity hotspots, housing countless species. Healthy wetlands can improve water quality for nearby communities. Historically, wetland loss has led to ecological imbalances. Restoration efforts are ongoing in many regions worldwide. Scientists use native plants to restore wetland habitats. Community involvement is crucial in restoration effort. Restored wetlands can act as carbon sinks, combating climate change. Wetlands support local economies through tourism and recreation. They contribute to soil stabilization and prevent erosion. Restoration strategies include reintroducing water flows, monitoring restored wetlands ensures their health and stability. Public education is vital for the success of restoration projects. Successful restoration enhances resilience against climate impact. The future of our wetlands depends on collective action. Together, we can restore and protect our vital wetland ecosystem.